Let's take a look at the high temperatures across the area today. We had 44 degrees in Rhinelander, 47 in Wausau, 49 degrees in Stevens Point, just close to 50 by a degree. You can see the southwestern corner of the state and off to the west in parts of Minnesota and northern Iowa. We're well into the 50s. That is some extreme temperatures for this time of year, sitting generally about 25 degrees warmer than normal. It does look like it's going to remain mild this week. 42 degrees tomorrow is cooler than today, but not by too much. It'll also feel a little bit cooler as we will eventually develop northerly winds. Otherwise, we briefly drop into the upper 30s on Friday, then back into the 40s for the weekend. 40s continue even into next week. Unfortunately for snow lovers, don't have a lot headed our way. Another thing to bring up with the melting snow is temperatures overnight will eventually be dropping into the 20s, maybe seeing some slight ice accumulation, but thankfully we don't have a large snowpack to begin with, so we shouldn't see any flooding concerns, and we shouldn't have too much of that melting and refreeze. Our satellite radar picture here showing clear skies across much of Wisconsin. Up to the north, we are seeing some patchy cloud cover developing, which likely means the next couple of days won't have quite as bright skies as today, though we should see a nice mixture of clouds and sun over our Thursday and Friday. Future track, similar to yesterday, is showing more cloud cover than we are expecting. You'll see here cloud cover morning and midday into the afternoon. Eventually it shows a bit of clearing, but we are expecting a mix of clouds and sun tomorrow. Another thing we might see out there is some early morning fog that we're keeping our eye on, but one thing that we won't see is any precipitation. Total precipitation estimates still showing zeros across the board for the most part, which means no chance of snow and no chance of rain with this upcoming forecast. Overnight conditions tonight, we drop down to 31 degrees, mostly cloudy and quiet. West winds of 5 to 10, gradually shifting north. Our forecast tomorrow showing mixed skies with cloud cover and sunshine. High temperature of 42. That's just 1 degree off of a record-breaking high temperature. If we do end up with another very sunny day like today, potentially seeing record highs across the state. Partly cloudy skies for Friday, high of 38 degrees. You'll notice very little change in our forecast here. A lot of mixed skies and a lot of 40s moving forward. You can see that continues into next week where we do develop a few clouds. Wednesday of next week could potentially have a chance of rain overnight into later Thursday.